When I went to college, I actually did not intend to be a computer science major. I was going to be a philosophy major. And what drew me to philosophy is this notion that we can create formalisms by which we understand the world around us, how we know the things we know. A lot of these same questions seemed like they could be much more formalized in artificial intelligence in these fields. Now, when I first got involved in the field of AI, to really use AI, you had to be an expert in this field. And today, really everyone can make use of artificial intelligence. But we need to follow ethical and moral principles that ultimately lead us to build AI systems that benefit and augment human intelligence rather than replace us and replace it. One of the most notable examples at Bosch is that we are building generative AI models for automotive systems. One such setting is road safety and safety on streets. For example, a lot of driving is rather mechanical. If you ask chatbots about driving scenarios, they will tell you about awareness and the need for heightened visibility and heightened consciousness when you're near these dangerous situations. Clearly, there is some amount of common sense and capabilities in these new models that we want to be able to leverage. Bosch has the Vision Zero initiative, which sets the goal of accident-free mobility. This is maybe seen by many as an impossible goal, but what we are doing with generative AI is we are building the AI tools that can allow us to better augment human understanding of that small suite of cases that have been traditionally hard to automate and which can drastically affect the safety and reliability of vehicles. My name is Zico Kolter. I work in artificial intelligence, and I think that it's not an accident that I'm still here 20 years later, still working in the same thing. Where else can you do work that then seems to have an immediate application to the real world within the span of 2 or 3 years? My goal is to develop tools and techniques to ensure that AI improves the reliability of products at Bosch. And this motto, invented for life, really applies to everything that we are doing.